Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can build a resume on Canva platform. So let me go here and type Canva. Now here you can create and edit anything that you want. So let me type here resume, and here you will get a couple of options. So you can select one of these. For example, resume for freshers, professional. So whatever you select you will get pre-built templates, and you can select one of the template. For example, let me select this one, and after that you will also get here more related options, and after that click here customize this template. So now if you want to edit this template, before start editing you need to do some zoom in, and on the bottom here you can see this one. So you can set zoom, and after that if you want to change this image, just you can click on the image and you can upload any of the image file from your laptop. So I already have some demo images here, so let me go here, and now here you can see images set. Now scroll down. If you want to change anything, so whatever name you want to add you can easily do that, and after that you can easily change the text. If you want to remove any of the text, here you can see this one, delete. You can also duplicate, and also you can add here your education details, work experience. Just you need to double click, and after that final step is you can export this file in different formats. Simply go here, click on the share button, scroll down. You can also give access to some users. You can just copy the link and you can share anywhere in the world. After that, if you want to download it in PDF format and different other formats, here you can see these are the formats. So after that click here download button. In this way you can easily create and build resumes without having any type of graphic skills.